Welcome to Broke Daddy Investments. Today is July 6th, 2020. We're looking at our Webull account. So, Webull account. You'll see the two stocks on the bottom. Those are the two that we got for free for opening an account and depositing our first $100 into Webull. So you got the two banks there. Santander, that was up 4% today. And Regional Financial was up 1.5% today. Remember, we didn't have to do anything but open an account for these two. So we could sell them and keep the money if we wanted to. But we're just going to ride them as long as we can, get as much gain out of them as we can. Okay, we do have two new open positions. One is AROC. AROC we have in our stash account. It was very, very promising. We'll look at the chart here in a minute. And then we got BCOR. BCOR has, I think it has like 84% upside potential in the next 12 months. And AROC, I think it had like a 30% up potential in the next 12 months. Let's look at AROC first. Look at the chart. Okay, what we like about the chart is the red line, graph line here is the 50-day moving average. The yellow line here is the 20-day moving average. The blue line is the 10-day moving average. So we like the fact that the 10-day is above the 20-day and price is above the 20-day moving average. The 10-day, 20-day are both above the 50-day moving average. You see this white line here? The white line is the 200-day moving average. As long as price keeps moving up in the next 2-3 weeks, that 50-day moving average, the red line here, will be higher than this line. That's a bullish sign. And then this may go from 676 to probably at least $9. It might even hit $10.50. It might even get back into the $11 range. So we're anticipating the 50-day moving average crossing above the 200-day moving average. And this thing should start skyrocketing after that. Here's why we decided to take the trade. If you look in the middle of your screen, you'll see that MACD. MACD, the normal settings are 12, 26, and 9. We changed ours to 9, 17, and 6. So about 2/3 to 3/4 of the normal. That way we can catch right here. You can catch where the yellow line crosses the signal line. And as long as it's above the 10-day moving average and definitely above the 20-day moving average, we should be able to capitalize on that for some nice gains. That's our thoughts on it anyway. That's the little experiment we're going to try. So we're trying to get in early and we're trying to get out early and still have a nice gain. Let's look at BCOR. Okay, this chart is the same way. The 20-day and the 50-day moving average are actually fighting each other. But as long as price keeps going up, and definitely once it gets above its 20-day moving average, that'll be a positive sign for us. The red line is the 50-day moving average. About another month or so, it'll be above this 200-day moving average. And price should start going up nicely from there. So if we're at $11 now, I don't see why price couldn't go to easily 22. It might even get back up to 26 before the end of the year, as long as it stays above that 200-day moving average. Again, we decided to go with 8, 17, and 6 on our MACD. Our yellow line crossed our signal line, and we get the first two green up signals. So then we decided to get in. So we'll see how that pays off. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.